Hi, you guys. This is Miss Tao. Today we will be talking about our last theme of geography. Your learning target is I can explain the 5 themes of geography. So here are the 5 themes. We've talked about location, place, movement, human interaction, and the last one is region. So what is region? Region describes an area with similar human or physical characteristic that set it apart from other areas. When we're talking about region, we want to think about what do they have in common. And for example, let's take a look at twins, all right? Twins have the same parents, they have the same family. Sometimes they have character traits that are the same: their hair, their eyes, and their personality. Do you remember the 2 characteristics from location? That's very important. So we learned that earlier in the week, and you are going to need that information to talk about region. First one is physical characteristic, which talks about your landform, climate, soil, natural vegetation. Then you have your human characteristic, which are culture, religion, population growth, economy. So you want to take the two and compare it to other locations. Regions can be very large or small and must share common characteristics. So you can actually compare countries, continents, to something as small as neighborhoods. So let's practice. Let's find some similar characteristic from your relative location and your absolute location. All right. So earlier in the week, you were to talk about and write down in your project a relative location. And then you were also to write down absolute location. For your relative location, for me, I talked about where I live, the city of Anger. And where I live in the city of Anger, it is located in the coastal plains. So I can indicate that because my absolute location that I talked about was the beach. Okay. And then I can also talk about the weather. The weather, especially during hurricane season, when we get high winds in the coastal plains, we also get it in Johnston County. And then the population, majority of the residents around here travel to the beach during the summertime. And the food, majority of the food that I eat and my family eat, we can find it also in the coastal plains at the beach.